everyone. As you know, today is 29th August 2020, the birth anniversary of hockey wizard Major Dhyanchand, the legend player of Indian hockey. And this day is celebrated as National Sports Day all over the country. On this National Sports Day, I, S.N. Chaudhary, primary teacher, Kendriya Vidyalaya Devli, is going to express my views on physical fitness and wellness through sports. Dear students, first of all, let me tell you what is the term fitness and wellness. Fitness means the capacity to do the routine work without any fatigue or exertion, and wellness means the capacity of an individual by which he leads a balanced life. So, now come to the point that how sports play a vital role in physical fitness and wellness. There are plenty of reasons why you should become involved in sports, with reduced body fat, bone strengthening, improved stamina and flexibility being some of the reasons why you should take up a sport. We all are familiar with both the terms sports and fitness. Sports play a very important role in our life as it keeps us active and healthy. We all have heard that a healthy mind needs a healthy body, which means that we can have a healthy mind if and only if we have a healthy body. Playing playing sports is a great kind of workout as it increases the cardiovascular cardiovascular functioning, and also sports help the individuals to maintain a healthy weight. Playing sport is for sure the best way to improve health and to be fit. It seems difficult for people to have a long run on a treadmill or doing gym, but chasing a ball while playing football is a sort of fun to all of us. Sports not only helps to maintain a healthy body weight, but it also has several other benefits such as it improves flexibility, stamina, helps to strengthen the bones, and many more. Sports can help an individual to cope up with anxiety and depression, as if a person suffering from depression is engaged in activities like sports, then all his time will pass concentrating on the tricks and techniques of the game, and thus there is a big chance that the person can live a better life by coming out of depression. There are many games that help in increasing the concentrating power of an individual, of which chess is the most important example, most common example. By the means of sports, people with interest in the same fields become friends, and hence the social circle of an individual also increases. In simple words, if I say, if a person is sporty, then it is more likely that uh, the person is having a healthy lifestyle. Sports also teaches one that how to take both success and failure in a same positive way and make them the stepping stone of their career. Scientifically, sports also help in increasing lean body mass by burning more calories and excess fat stored at various parts of the body. Kind of sports and physical activities helps an individual to be healthy and fit, irrespective of the fact that how good he is at playing that game. It will always lead you to be fit and healthy. As we all know that being good at sports is a strong and social asset for children, and that kind of children also have a good personality than those who are not indulged in sports activities. Great achievements can only be achieved in life when a person is mentally and physically fit. Not only for children, but many surveys and studies have cleared the fact that senior citizens who have played various kind of sports in their childhood have less cardiovascular problems as compared to the group of others. The coordination of various body parts is also developed in a great manner by playing specific types of games, such as playing volleyball and table tennis increases hand-eye coordination, although the brain is also developed because of the procedure of fast thinking involved in the games. By playing games and sports, the quality of leadership among us an individual is developed, due to which a self-confidence blooms up in an individual, which gives more courage and esteem to complete the task. So, we can conclude that playing sports can help an individual in various aspects of life, like it brings up a new level of confidence in an individual by enhancing the body, physique, and shape of the body. It also helps to develop a quality of teamwork, which is very important in the various aspects of life. Our bones and muscles also get strengthened by the means of sports. Dear students, I would like to say once again that if you play the games every day, surely your physical and mental development will be in the right direction, and you will become a healthy and a fit citizen of this great nation. And in the end, I would like to thank our respected principal sir, Sri S.R. Verma ji, and sports teacher, Sri Mahipal Rathod ji, who gave me the opportunity to interact with the students on this occasion of National Sports Day. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay fit.